Let's face it, spam and telemarketers are frustrating and a big waste of time. They're also a big security risk. If you're not careful, you could be giving your personal information away or money to scammers anywhere in the world. The new call screening feature in iOS 26 is a telemarketer's worst nightmare. It allows you to filter out unwanted calls and only answer the calls that are important to you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up the new call screening feature in iOS 26 so you can fight back against scammers and telemarketers. Let's get it done. So how exactly does call screening work on the iPhone? Call screening automatically answers calls from unknown numbers without interrupting you. Once the caller shares their name and reason for the call, your iPhone rings and shares their response so you can decide if you want to pick the phone up. You can also choose to silence calls from unknown callers and send them directly to voicemail. Remember, this feature only exists in iOS 26, so you'll need to update your iPhone first. It also only works in specific regions where Apple Intelligence is officially supported. I placed a link in this video's description to Apple's official support site for more details. To enable call screening on your iPhone, go to the settings, then scroll down and tap on Apps. Then scroll down again and tap Phone. Once in the phone menu, you'll need to scroll all the way down where you'll see a menu for Screen Unknown Callers. Now you'll see three choices: Never, Ask Reason for Calling, or Silence. We're going to click the Ask Reason for Calling. This will ensure that calls from unknown numbers will be asked for more information before the iPhone rings. So once it's enabled, that's it. You can now exit your settings and let call screening take over and do the rest. So enabling the iOS 26 call screening is a no-brainer. It helps you to manage your calls more effectively and reduce stress. If you've been dealing with spam calls, I highly recommend you giving this a try. Hey, and if you've had any crazy experiences with spam calls, let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my other videos on more awesome iPhone tips and tricks. Hey, again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.